Good afternoon to one and all. My name is L. Sai Rajesh. I am studying in 7th class B section at JP School, Wearable. Today I would like to say a few about sentences. World Consumers Day. World Consumer Rights Day means of raising global awareness about consumer rights and needs. On this day, the governments around the globe spread awareness about consumers' rights and needs. World Consumer Rights Day is celebrated on March 15th every year. It is a global event that aims to raise awareness about consumer rights and needs. As consumers, we have the right to information about the quality, purity, price, and standard of products we buy. Quality, purity, price, and standard of products we buy. Did you know that you can file a complaint as a consumer from anywhere, anytime? By celebrating this day, will make others aware of their right to demand protection and stay safe from fraudulent activities in the marketplace. The history of World Consumer Rights Day is fascinating. It was created and organized annually by Consumers International, a global federation of consumer organizations founded in 1960. The date of March 15th honors to speech made by US President John Kennedy to the US Congress on March 15, 1962. In that speech, he coined the four fundamental consumer rights: the right to stay safety, the right to be informed, the right to choose, the right to be heard. Since then, World Consumer Day has grown in popularity and is celebrated every year with a specific theme. For examples, then like tackling plastic pollution have raised awareness about sustainable consumption and practice related to practice and their impact on the environment. Knowing we consumer rights empowers us to identify when we are being frauded or cheated and take legal action any product or service that goes against those rights. Talk about giving power to the people. Talk about giving power to the people. Thank you, Honorable.